associated with practices of nepotism and favorism in your former workstation?
Other than that, this challenge that I have at the moment, which as you know, it's about a week old now, I have never had anything that would cast any doubts on my integrity in all my service at KPSC and in many other institutions. I have served as a role model among young people and professionals alike. And so what is before us, or rather what is before me, Chair, is a matter of procurement in 2011-2012. Not that there was anything wrong, and I'm not casting aspersions about procurement of transformers at KPSC in 2011-2012, but just to be to let you know that this matter is as challenges, Chair. I was not at the time. I was not the CEO. I was not the CEO of KPSC in 2011-2012. I became the CEO of KPSC in 2013. I was not even a member of the procurement committee at the time because I was in human resources. However, I've been accused of procuring a service, in other words, procuring those transformers at the time, but I wasn't there.